This tool allows you to create a more customized shape or line. Maybe Word doesn't offer the customized shape you have under the pre-made shapes that they have. Go to Insert, Shapes. Under Lines, there are two different things you can use. You can use Curve or Freeform Shape. Curve will do just exactly what it says and give you a more curved line. If you want to fill this shape that you've made, you make the end meet up with the beginning, double click. Again, if you can't see it, give it an outline. You can also fill these shapes. You can change the weight of them. You can make the outline dashed or dotted. You can change the fill to a gray texture or a patterned texture. And the freeform shape will give you a more angled shape. Every time you need to move around something like this, you click. Again, if you want to fill this shape, you make the end meet up with the beginning, or if you don't, you just double click off. Also, if you ever need to edit this shape after you've double clicked off of it, right click and click Edit Points, and it will allow you to move it. Also, if you did not join your end to your beginning and you need to, you click Close Path. Again, with this shape, you can change the weight of the line. You can change it to be dotted or dashed. And you can also fill it with the gray texture or the pattern texture.